Yummy! Tastes like cocoa. And we can pour in the sugar as well. Oh, that gave me a bit of a fright. Oh, the chip must have flaked. Chip must have. Oh, that gave me a fright. Now, come on, the switch must have flipped. The trip must have switched. Oh! God, that gave me a fright. The flip must have flipped now. Come on, stay still. So you just want to beat it together until it's light. So you just want to beat it together until it's light and fluffy. You should also hold it in your hand and not have your other hand on your camera phone. This doesn't sift quite as easily, there's always a few lumps of cocoa. Just gently mix it in. Cobwebs are not really into it. Just gonna add another splash of milk to that. Keep the cobwebs out. Try to keep it not end up in the mixture. Fab, that's all it. Oh, don't have to my voice there. Here we go, here's 12. So to decorate your cupcakes, you will need, oh Jesus. Wash it off now. Easy daisy. So I've got my icing and an icing bag here. If you don't have a glass, how? Quite tasty. Glasses in it. Oh, the shirt's now ruined. Well, either way, I think it's time for a taste test. Oh no, what was in that? Oh shit, it's all over the floor. Fake blood will clear off a wooden floor easier than you think. Take 5 and just a lot of fake blood. It is edible. Does it look, is it obvious that my makeup's come off my chin? Oh my God.